Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Forester trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release handle. It's usually a small, glow-in-the-dark lever or cord found on the inside of the trunk lid. Once you find it, pull it firmly towards you. This action will unlatch the trunk. Then, simply push the trunk lid upwards to open it completely and exit the vehicle safely. For some Subaru Forester models, you might find an additional release lever located near the rear seats. This lever provides another way to open the trunk from the passenger compartment. Simply pull this lever to disengage the trunk's locking mechanism. Always make sure there are no items or obstructions in the trunk area that could prevent the lid from opening fully, ensuring a smooth and safe exit. Safety is paramount when opening the trunk from the inside. Always ensure no one, especially children or pets, is in the path of the opening trunk lid. If the emergency handle feels stuck, try applying gentle but consistent pressure rather than yanking it forcefully. For any specific details or unique features of your particular Forester model, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate information. To ensure you're prepared for any situation, it's a good idea to practice using the internal trunk release mechanism. This familiarity can be crucial in an emergency. Also, always strive to keep your trunk area free of excessive clutter, which could obstruct the release handle or the trunk's opening path. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.